much GH. Many have come and many have gone, but you are a great Kankamuka ability, worth being beheld by every optical nerves. That saith the papacy.
Keep watching Too Much GH, and you get the best of entertainment, the best of everything you want.
My name is Ohima One. Keep watching Too Much GH. It's the best.
Keep watching Too Much GH.
Ebusuafo memamo akwa babiem ede eba Too Much GH so yedaswa ewo ejura ensemsem no eso adesesi ade ejina ya ganafo esi edefa ni ebiem so no asojafo a nam womo eso tututu omutu wo honom na nam sama esenkofo mienu etumi ato nananam ewo ensiedo na emu ensia da so ade eda ya sabia eda ya hwe no nsema ganafo de aba abontese yenye fom ho no numia ewo ho ebedi won enkomo enede nti bebi awo bia omodin ahya seto nkra afafro obi bia na won so ebe ka eye dwumedie hu bi through eye live chat no mu fa nkomodie won so adwen kire anabasem bisa efa ye live chat no etu jante na be yankomo no yeni ebetumi abom edi no wano eso na se na meka no Ghana for ahya se the pressure kese eto by any benefit eto se womo dia 9 pass no show to campo no asoja fo a wom kopie mu ewo edura ho no womo enchiwom na womo nimu nsem die nti a wontimi etu eye live bullet ewo eye Ghana fo a womo demonstrate womo enkra etuo na eduane emobọ na womo kra na so wontimi tu eye etuo edibom no mmekire mu sa akwan so na ese bia entimi ento enya sadia se na nyama no kono nibre aba nkofo de nibre be nyama bia ense patentim pass no ebenifo entu anamo bi enfa ho na esesa ensemwe akoye asem kesi asabre ekoso o man Ghana mu ntu no yato nkra de afro penipa bi ewo ye ntemu asa ne no ewedi enkomo no meche Mr. Ben Bruce kai ho ne ba makwa ba na tese yenko enkomo no emu Mr. Ben
ama
bibi aboko
ai sheshe
bibi ayeshimum na Johnson nsem ya bobo hu aya company fa ba bekasa na stone asa de akuma nya nto yemye akuma da so ewo so Ghana fo kasa ne uko social media ewiasa fune nya Ghana fo wo bibia kasa we nko ade wo mo nkoma no entum enfa wo so de na wo kafa wo
ama me dan se nchawati afo na ama obi kuna wu
no kre
obi papa wu obi ni awu eya ti enye ebejina ba bini akase wa adwebra na baby ade eboboba ye kai epenifo no amfo omo ani antofa omde tofa manka we nyina ka hu nya
sa
yes se obi kasa na ohwe na ne kasa no gada momentum a yes we ye ne say calmly no friend behind closed doors na wo chere ni niama a wo ye to fix the situation fix the country no starting here no omo kasa omo beye jai what was the government doing uye bibia friend konfo no masa yenya dialogue insem no mo kan se be enye ne starting here ye na nam presso kwa me groma presso it is them that ebia abani ye say ni ebe take time kakra my time after all ye nyina nim say covid nti ewiasin ba bia eden but uye din na nipa ne kasa ehye nkofo before nia esi eye nwa hwe ni year beginning of something big to come the national security is not working IGP onye adwuma ahanye heaven no ye ni heaven ye wo earth iti eso ye ni nyama nyina or sending people down to go and look at the situation the way ever because ya bobo na ma ehu
ampa na yenhye asojafo a yedi wo mo eka police phone say demonstration koso ewo ejura wo mo nko stop ya no according to NTO no na ma kwanta no make sense soldier for ni police for together and the police for no mo jai demonstration guiding and asking
ama ya na nyama bia mesre MC wasore oboso wakansem itira ne bia make say ya change nyama bi your constitution mu on my way ekoso ama o because
the constitution 1990
of course
okay
say government appoint IGP what do you expect Nyobekano, that's what the IGP will do. And the Amgata said,
Me too, I say.
Sir, I said, we are beginning, Abba, Nanyam reading cry post, it's your minister. Also, all the picture is SNA IGP, your book, Papa.
There's a social media company or two.
Oh, just say, IGP, besides, I hate fun to see ye. Ama, Mama, sir, security couple. BBS in Nigeria minister, so the Nigeria minister, or a civilian at German appointment. But to become an IGP is not easy. Who pass through all the ranks? Now, because I hate fun to see ye. Send your trying to board there, and I'm not we need to be serious.
Okay.
If we are missing, my heart is bleeding for Ghana. Ya she ya baby or my new kono. Who ama? And I you sir.
Yeah, baby, and I say, I have some can.
IGP, I just said, it's time he steps down and somebody takes control. Somebody who can stamp his authority on what is happening. And yes, I baby a kono. Yent me o. Meburubu. Omu nya de ba kope obi asebe obaba ka se munye di na me solve situation no Akufo-Addo Mwanwa Kumi Preko. This was a man who led Kumi Preko. When we were championing for him, then are we what were the Okofoni Nejimino? Would you get up? Would you stamp your authority? Please.
Yenshe die Mampeni dada ye former president John Dramani Mahama wabeka afa ensem no bisa for die akoye statement kakra outumi so no nso ayem hyehyemu en wo sorry waka kasafa ensem na ekoso ewo ejura honum na ebisa for mama kenkan sen body ebetu just say I add my voice to calls for calm following the shooting to death of 2 persons and the injury to many in Ejira today. Following the murder of youth activist Ibrahim Kaka Mohammed, I have just seen a video of the firing of live ammunition into a crowd by persons wearing military attire. After the burial of the murdered youth activist, I urgently call on President Nana Akufo-Addo to initiate an immediate de-escalation of the situation in Ejura. There must be a very thorough investigation of both the murder of the youth activist and the security rules of engagement, which resulted in the shooting to death of the 2 others. My thoughts and prayers are with the family of the victims and the Ejura community. As I say, we efi omanpenida da John Dramani Mahama na kache na abetoja na say nenka di oman no wo biara senka asemesi seneta na eba o show so no nka openipa woda ya no yen papa yen wra tesia they do Father's Day obia epeja ni Father's Day wishes do come no yen wra na Akufo-Addo nka na asem we nko no kwa no bedi kan ya be kasa ho besi sabre yen tin na no kasa ena eno kran ko da nchen se mampeni da be kasa eno ekra a plus to him but ekoda nchen no empelifo wodo edida ho ye original minister ye wo MP ye wo MP na mu ono ne nsem okika no nothing peaceful has come out of it eno kra shebufo the more so ena MP so aka nsem ono so share the side of the story but in your mama for say no the way ye kra nsem na say there ya fan must say is one of those things usual and nunti na mama for buefu a won say soldier for no if indeed they are soldiers no say yen chi omo immediately ni en bi so man so dey omo dey life ammunition ekopie mo sa ensem na ama amanfo ahwe mo mo kan sa do bebre na de sobobo mampeni no mo ya adwon sa kwan so
ama eni agbo ha lam ehye mabufu
ehye
enya politics ne ayo
enya
politics ne ayo yes dey opani kasa
na nsu asa
good okay mampeni da onya concept no ye oye concept statement abana beki statement I just say yampa ye we unim say answer na omeko kromo no yesuma like go for to go there and talk to the people don't you know
okay
onim and some say abano president into play call massa we should be serious about he was in charge when soldiers were using live bullets Mami mo shaba bufuo. O ja Facebook no kika ni amano. Mami can be job. Before a soldier picks up a gun, he has to have what? A command. Command, you know, if he high hierarchy. Soldier no two he was under command. Fire if the na de bia me catch am say. Sade na de bia mo ka say a soldier form bra kromo no. Jama mo nim soldier for. Soldiers are trained to kill. They should be the last resort. It's agitated say soldiers say bra kroma. Person you kunye.
Na say MC no kro be can say onu no
It was even wrong. So yeah, politicians wo ya hwe ye na ya fa ye na si for mo bomb my. I'm telling you. Because a soldier didn't take a commando. There is no soldier back on man. But let me be say. Don't we have rubber bullets in this country? Ama, otu rubber bullet a sound to say raw gun, but a bow of brand of the brown. You need rubber bullets. You need tear gas.
I bet that will.
You need tear gas.
I bet that will.
Also, then you obtain me two or bow to a gun. Because at that time, also, they felt threatened. Said that people wanted to kill them. So they were defending themselves. It's what you guys say. Yeah, or omo.
No kakana ayen sema among people say how threatened because according to reporters are no more on field no much the people were not armed. Tuo ne ka se obi obi won ho a no ye armed. And I think can be waiting the do we mu kra aboba ene enua. Aboba ni nua de arms I no ye tuo FAC
ye chekromfo a e dan ye diku no.
Tuo ne de ko.
Enye abo ne odua ye diku no. For the first time police Mowak na police wali gane. The situation was high, mean depending what they did.
Okay.
But I'm saying the structures are broken down because the head is not acting. And the head, you blame me Of course, he takes the ultimate responsibility. But the Minister of Defense, where are you? Minister of Interior, where are you? At this time, I said, "Kamuko meeting. Namu who you go for? Sebi, you to know a poor namu from no come down to talk to them." One yes, na situation no. Koso. Na kept close. Sorry, away from sorry. We have a problem on our hands. The military can't stop it. Let's be active on what is happening. The national security almost did the girls no munyai. No mun ko feel ro. No ko yejuma. Ya mom scare you ka big pay. What are they doing? National security are supposed to go down there and act. What are we doing? Mahaba there, onyai na wahwe ya betwe na bam na ya blasting here and there. He was in charge when people were being killed in Ghana.
Ye sen kapeni bi be kasa na dempo ato aso ye se kasa de we sachira akumadenden. Na peni bia peni fa ye nikani de omu so mekasa no bia nkasa no abekasa
they need to go behind the scenes first. Ade we ye more because asem bia obeka no it can even trigger the thing more. This is the time Osuman Kofo to go and talk to the people. Say, oh, Montu Mobo. Asem na ba ye ka. But yes, I was waba. No, yeah, no. As if said nobody is doing nothing. So what I say.
Okay.
He's just doing politics. Or doing 2024.
Okay. And so no, we did kind Asha say on your opportunity no dey here.
Or your campaign. Or be sani akase. Ade nyina kra dom chechire.
Omushechire. Na ni niemu no member of parliament Edima Subin wabeka nsem kakra bi na ni nsem no ase ye twemu a ebeboa oni Metro TV for no pay good morning show so wabeka say there are army commanders and there are police heads. There are ministers of state. Why should the president speak? They must take responsibility. He said, then he wrote, heads must roll. I just said, what they patches said, and penny for some say, when you so when penny jemu, you were army heads for you were way. And he said, army, I do more better. Your police for some more settle demonstration. Why you this problem no command?
Ama, on se me catch as a politician in area so mabo man.
I said, ono ye NPP ni no say to be way. MP no wabeka say.
No can no Ekwasasem at the highest order.
Ekwasasem or kwan be.
Meba.
Okay.
Yeah. Who rode the head? Who should roll the heads? IGP was appointed by the president. To see as a president, fact will not catch IGP said, change your people. He will do it. It's an absolute constitution in your no. I'm conform to my no. Constitution and say a people mine and can you. Paper now to say it's a Bible. Bible now is Christian for us. It's a Bible no it's a touch man. Yang Casano, Yang Baby Beko. That is what we have in Ghana. Constitution that mandates the president to appoint almost everybody in this country. What are we talking about? Ama, change constitution now. This is with because the IGP say yeah to abana ye one and police council ye one. The IGP should be acting by now. 80 some military commanders they take what? Almost a command from somebody. The head of CDS. He was appointed by the government too. So where are we going?
And now to say maybe say Ghana for book was say aba wo so mo de subonia ebo mampenino. Is it justified?
In a way it is. In a way it's not. It's not. Okay? Let's take the genesis of all these things which were
okay.
happening. You say COVID COVID no and I say niama bebre. Enye Ghana nko a obi a ho kire no. What do I say? But me want to say political opponents be take advantage of and they bundle it and people are also buying into it. Fine. Me name how far the government is going with all this me fix it. But to send me a COVID or buy out of a kind. I expect the government to right now come and say, fine, we accept that things are hard. People are suffering. Okay, this is the when you have to yeah. To break a car. You say now my assurance. What did I say? Assurance now, my people might think say you are not listening to them. People are COVID by the whole world was applauding you because of what? The way you
prompting.
Oh yeah. Almost every time. Things that country by now make cancer. They say if you are starting acting now, people will take advantage of it. They say I conform with political activity. Some of them that at a point in time we can't control the crowd.
Ya wako akronfo ensem so na say mayema ne kakra ni aka security issues yi ha na akronfo yi a wo mo ko bo police ni tuo bullion van issue na say police fo etimi akochi bi na baako this time Ghana ha still na ya close your borders ba kutimi fi Ghana ha ekopie mu Otogo na this same police ya reinforcement wo ejura eti we the military come home 89 years abre no ebi bi say military eba amrobru a omuntimi ni adwuma say na aban do omko stop demonstration na we asem na me bi sa won tete a eti ade tin apply military rule ewo ebra na amrobes ni dwane ye pomochi akwa ye chi omu ni ya ye de be chi omu ni ya justify omu ebo ni omu di oman Ghana mu na emomedura de na normal citizens for omu de ebufu abomu nu ewu omo demonstrate with omo rights na tete ye di soldier foko gu omo so na tete science mo mo kanu Ghana for won kwan so meka ne sa
omo kwan ba oni bibi mami mbra bu kaka
okay
ama police na ye won police institution no ye wo police form ye carpenters your police form ye electrician omo ye more of like police civilian asana ye wo police form ye police duties alone ansana ye wo striking force. Striking force here, like middlemen between the soldier and then the police. Our training here a bit different from the normal police.
Okay.
Because they are supposed to combat crime. Bisa will say, Ejura wasn't beyond the striking force.
And only a semi that was it here.
Only I can't say. Ejura was not beyond the striking force because I've seen striking force in action. Our training is similar to the military. The only part is say, human face to it. Into oye bibia or do tutu. So Jenny, they are trained to just obey command. Okay, so Jenny says shoot to kill her. Or do one can say, I deal with Sanya Micheno, me stop here, obey shoot to kill.
And found one in me and
what did I mean? Fine, intelligence gathering. Who said a do among the answer there? Say a catch brand. I catch your home. MP no we no. They go say.
Fatman MP.
There be MP. No we no go say. Fatman dey go say. Up to now. Police ni who ye. Ya catch no.
Yeah.
Meboa.
Yeah.
Meboa.
In a matter of 2 weeks, but
in the matter of so who told you the police can't do the job? Nyami can't say. in a matter of 2 weeks, much more. And I want to get you say, you're close about a BI. Come echo the BI.
I say Mampedika
forget
close to
forget it.
further way.
Well, opa for cameras, call. Kofanya mo to go the BI.
Nenti you about that one to any way immigration officers for
immigration me ban. Open up this can immigration me. Immigration way. Me say kofo koto go de bia e ko Nigeria de bia. Ye close there. Ye be kan keke cosmetic way keke. Yeah. If ye person bibia, we should do it now. Mommy.
I say yes, all our structures are weak. Immigration are asemo police mukra ye kasem
for this kapa go Ghana security service in immigration to be a back percent of immigration not bribe back no budget security service no ya dilute no to say squash I said squash what squash ya di so mama adena kasa adani nsuo nothing is working. We need to build the structures again and niameka de biano unless the constitution is fixed we are doomed.
Unless the constitution is fixed. It didn't say Emran Sakra Mbemu when we begin to say the bill said because this is the law we have been using since.
Law by
constitution I said no one here used to pay.
JJ are no official or minus so no. So yeah, now to protect himself, no. After since 92. Are we correct? And we are still using the same law.
You making amendments once in
a while. Amendment bank.
Also once in a while the bills to call na Bimpoka say maybe at or say parliament and no much more
bill bank.
Woman the bills are what you call
bill bank chairman.
Bills I say RTI is right to information. So much call
information.
Other way laws bills
Ghana law. Yeah, another law na kuno. What I need right now is to take the power from the presidency and hand it over to the people. That is them. Omankasa omo say omo qualify for Kofi Buachi. Na your friend say police force no. And your president na police force na omo na authority na. Come appoint no. Because right now no, who can be ya kwachi wene na president Fafo jai ni power ya. So be jai no. So is the law working? Is the law working? No, tell me, is the law working?
What's happening there?
Nothing is working. Nothing is working because I say and I'm say President Fisua, yet me account. And South Africa, Zuma, yeah, didn't go to more.
Yeah,
15 months. On the crime decrease all. Ghana can scale the body. For CCC in a few of Dubai in Yamaniama. And they are working about free. Zuma or Kodemo 15 months. It is I'm now not ye wouldn't say you be here few. Not in normal parliament, no, and then we applaud that. What are we talking about? Up into who said there's a problem with no. The constitution, no. Haven't they seen it?
Okay.
They have no, maybe sound. Haven't they seen it?
Yeah.
So if they've seen it and they almost nominate the framers of the law, what are they waiting for? They should fix it. Who fix it? Constitution now, you fix the whole problem in Ghana. Who fix it? Constitution now, you fix the whole problem in Ghana because semi mean to me, Fred Obina me can't say I have fixed the problem. Me here for me, I may say Obia may believe me. It's my main wow.
Enti sesi ade se na eye eduansem no akoduno ye hwe se na eye information beto abonten ate se MC no owo honorable Bamba oda beto dwa se wonu a na ma akoma nse because of bebu nebu for mu nti omo nti sesi ane se na eye soldier for no ko on de akowie nti onu aka se me holding responsible for command we na say onu nu hu kan nti na say onu so preventive measures so we dwane oni nebushafo dwane fi edwa ho
do be dwane esa ntia che wow when I make us Ghana and Africa for your problem kakra hwe na omo ye road bi wo no omo ye bibi wo we Australia road ni ewie road minister the car ekosi ho what this wa ye man resign you only ewie road no okwa inspect you Yeah, onyama ne resign. Aha, obi yetimi twa obi, oba timi twa obi. Well, pajamas, but that's still or yeah, couple, military couple. Are we joking?
Now, there's a minister. Okay.
But are we joking? We are military couple, don't be proud. You have say, well, can me. Are we joking? Now, we military couple, so about me, and no bathroom say, not what side swap. Is the country not doomed?
Country is doomed indeed. Never for Sana and Comodiano Espatiano, who Mubia, na Bibia Ayakama. It says a Ghana sem. Any eka ewa senti pomodia phone lines no any go asio fra na frɛ in the show now so for adentre efa nkoma yedi wa ase no etudwa na asem program no o wo baby antimi kasa betimi atype wa dwentre ana wo sem bisa na wo so de ekoso ewo timi fa duran sentem no de abedu ni de mpenifo so ka na no mo mutu efa wo no so fa tudwa ewo ye live chat na ni niam no ye be kan wo mepemu na tete abo amadwede no die pe wo mu no die pese ehu wo mu no timi akodru stand pension no edema na Mr. Ben me kosa ye hwe ejua empenifo ababonte ye wo mu emma we de minka obi ya wo mu mba wo hwere mu ma ewo mu no kopom ye no wo mu no ba ko akwa bi ababonte be ka se wo mu ebe goyi at any extent so mednya justice edema wo mu emma anomade show me film because wo mu ni so ma eboni bi demonstration no more kwenti say enunti yetime ekun omo dia kwan bia so menya justice and this will be babonte in this time our man mu be kansa you should start a statement to abonte. What does it mean for the nation? So mu going to any extent to get justice for na celebration na and before so be kase be to kase
it means both spiritual and physical. Makari mami yes no enye asem keto.
Okay
my friend diagro.
Okay
Sabi obewe ya ukunu we ya unye we ya eba ne say okasa but unim me podi na me feel say e bi kra na enye related to fix the country asemo e bi ano ni obi opapa ama me na oti hen na me catch us twen na obehu na o chena wo fimu a police be ka say me na meku
no credit
e bi kra so na no obi o problem ono kra to say obi say twen na obehu Papa you have you. Mummy and she, yadi, but yama akuma and brother. Yan she ya quay bibia, and you see, where sometimes once a year do, but me yama once a year time. Ye yabotre, a yasem naban say ya. What I said, by yan to yabo, na yan share in some naban, back, say, if he ne buy. Yes, so got to say, seven for you know one. And yes, I don't know besides that. No, at the end, see ye. At the end, see ye, a heaven you feel ya bedu, baby, ye win. And I agree ya, a heaven I bet for Ama. Ain't he almost demanded justice is right. But let's tread this path with caution. Yan ye, not ye companion ma etu yen sem, say yaw didn't see ye be a baby be happy, ye passion na ya for a crona, ye defending on. To be pomocho. Omunya botre minim se nyaba na me your friend is penpon and so intentem omun kwachi omun gon obia o ekopable bia ye chinipa no it doesn't matter who you are say oman you started to take gofo it doesn't matter your political affiliation it doesn't matter who you know now you be being a check where people stop committing crime but ye no be ba no be frɛ na ye jaina masa fa ne e Mami, Obia, why you be say MC, you know, or can you at this time, no, say, oh, MC and grab it me and the calls, or yeah, I'm just leaving them. So that's me, I say, but there's no better. They should go to MTN and that call, baby, or used to be, they can trace and quickly get the people. Say, when you were at Chomo, the papa at Chomo, and you must start a trial. Yeah, won't go do that is how the country grows.
Yeah. Now, even the beginning, the genesis of issue when you have fixed the country, that hashtag fix the country. Idea in Mebuni being a shot says so. The air can mind the IE and Quay in Tinia say, your passing see our mind. and ebi afufa na tese bebi mia bebi omo wono mu se boni bi because na eso mu da pa ponte social media nti bibi a opese onke bia otimi betu abonte enti abrante ni videos ahodo aba abonte no oye face the country campaign no utie ni kasem ko ebri bi kwampo be kasa ma police the police for na mampeni che na bibi ehie omo no mfa mo na enko ye na tete na yen hwe how was that face the country in kwa the countless times more pressing on to converse more demonstrating no more register or more displeasure or buying way the many times they have stopped more na enkofa who do so much try say somewhat the other no be pushing for aye we na enyama to no near say this country do we still have the freedom of speech now do we still have it
freedom of speech
and some right to be I count the right to demonstrate so that enyama no still na ye that so kwemu oban ka na
see ama where your freedom ends, that's where somebody starts.
Yeah, no correct.
Freedom does not mean say you are not responsible for what you say. You have more freedom to talk. Maybe the meeting in Sambina Kenya Bonnie. Tinam Simomi and you will be crying and yet take the country in issues. Because in some more canal, and I can't Jones will say, why are you training Jonas? I can't know.
When the baby was Shannon, the system is working 24/7.
Ghana for this acronym.
Ghana for
you are the percent target to away. Government to government. You be cool, you be element too. Quick. It might not be that way. Maybe they may full say if you know your problem. Ama. If you know your problem. Now you pardon it won't say yes, continue to my first work. That is my judgment.
Okay.
But my patch say fix whatever problem that is there. No? It doesn't take one day to fix a problem. It takes time. Instead of make us in for no mouth, no more change measures on put in place of the solve problem now. Nama nipa enya akuma yakuma enjoy it. Because nipa aka onya ofo say you can enfa inti yembra yemeka owe bia maka ebia yeyese na ne ayeye ne ntem because emre ni ho emre ni ho mame emre ni ho na covid ni nti amase say sika sema yeden baby but then we can do better. Wow, and as I say no here only free SHS no start to say back wow ya mi we and for enlighten na they demand for more things. Obi enlightener said woman 5 cities or demand for 10 cities say
so no
and for enlighten they will start asking questions say and then I had to say to see on social media which me reading about any nation.
Yeah,
Rwanda to say is what the cleanest city in Africa. We can do it.
Okay.
But it takes me and you to do it. It is a me no make even about the problems and there been a me no as individual me so me have one. That should be the thinking.
Okay.
Because I make about fix the country. Now me akasa me individual no me sorry yeah my pin say me baba wa it won't go. Ni aba ni nya botre. Me pa mo chawo. Yes sorry. Ni egidi ya be say nyama ye be wie no na ne ye pese ehu no eno kra ne be ho be pa bujo.
Okay mame emfa some of the comments are aba ewo your Facebook page or where every bra kwesi or say in fact Ghana is going to an end. Could this be true?
Oh I never cry.
Maybe I know doesn't look like say maybe I keka kono nothing can be done to save the nation and I say maybe no ebet me aye because you see no last video here no be say you see 2024 no vote Ghana obi ensi na so obi an vote obi an to aba eti se ka se esi sa gina ye no obi aso okay me ban bo ntinu me na ma me kura me ami tuo me ami bo me ho ban. Do we have a future as a nation?
Ghana has a very bright future and it will go to that extent. But you see ni nyina abegina me ne wo ene mpanifo na sebe ya to aba amom no say almost sorry na omo ye what is needful nia say ye na you protect your mind na yenso ye citizens no yenso ye hu say kakra yenso ye be ye abo omo ni me ne wo ye man ni ni o man bia o ba bia bia ye kra de esoro Burkina Togo Cote d'Ivoire African nations me French me kwai It's less. At the end of the year, to your book.
Okay.
What I say? Fix the country is right. But only I'm can fix now. Me who say exactly what you mean by fixing the country? Is it the economy? Is it the social na no? A dear important na yen fixing.
Now, in your own view, no shall be do why okay and then you fixing now. Nyani fixing.
Only and I make no. Me there na said your started say fix the constitution. Okay, you fix the constitution no. Na sepe Bank of Ghana governor enye aban no choose no. Ti aban timint na Jubilee azon kasa bremsika. Tieni yo police obi chi obi a obi ntimi probi kasa release no. So therefore ya ade a commander na kasa wonim se na adwen no de ye. Na obi adi lem na sepe aban so nim se me ye bone a me free so betimi achimi atuma. We have fixed the country.
Sir,
yeah, we country in fixing. Because I mean, send me approach here, Bush, that time not so. They buy a bond, get channel. As a president, bent you, the system is working. How do you make the system work? And some man the laws through. And Africa meant to me choose IDP, and then me for IDP back. I said, I won't pick your call. No, because me not choosing you. You owe allegiance to me. Into I don't see give me up. Now you should owe allegiance to the states. And then I say,
me too.
Maybe a president, me bar security services, not me kwame me corporation. Where's the bar anyway? You know, so what? Hey, party, I say seconds.
You just echo now.
I mean, what is this? Are we joking? Ama, are we joking?
As a country, there, B3 and Mary Agbenosti, the about say hashtag fix the country. We, the youth of this country, want Ghana to be fixed. I'm saying, what's my worker say? See, yen chishem munyen chese before no that.
Fix from where? Then in your track.
Oh no, say can be as to be munyen fix it. Ghana munyen fix it country na kasa.
Ama police this year now about the bribe. What is about the bribe?
Two be an shelter man bribe. The airport one na bribe.
Have you fixed yourself?
No.
What I say? It's your top. It's your papa to you. Abeka. Obi find the baller. No, the good shoni. The toilet no hwiagum. Onyin say e fa na ekọ. Na ekọ blocking that plan about say fix the country. Fix it then.
Yes, they won't support fix the country.
And you say me no, they should be specific. Fix what? Fix what? Fix it then. Okay? Yeah, subaina e dia bedu say you. Galam say na ekọ so yes say we no. Eye mene na ye galam say no, right?
Mini will be
woka ho.
Me too galam.
Why so papa ka ho and our papa nua bi ka ho na obi ka ho. Obi ka ho ba oni. Enti samo yes say yeah dia. Yes affect the country. Insure for the past 2 weeks me nya insure ye.
Yeah.
Obi sa Ghana what am say galam say. Galam say start here na. Enti say no ye chiche nkofo na ye hia. Ye ultima boss say ma ye hye Zankof, me job niama. Yeah, I say my teacher won't say good. Na me bo, na me catch say ensu. Edi yo ama. Edi. Tina me say, yen ya tima for no. Yen tina se ni ehu say, o man na ye tim edi na ye. Edi na ye, yan kasa ye. Fine. Empanifo no will be ka. But ye fixing what needs to be fixed that. They'll be forced to sit up. Kana ye kana de en say you have upper demonstration on mom kwa come pregnant and so be you
and so be
oh let's have it mama chow genesis of come pregnant but say chair me the rate of that just over there demonstration and so be you
now this the pressure to abide
pressure by
manage nyanti asebiti e kwan bia so no say na enkofo no e kan say
no do say o say abide ni
I think we him, but who take steps of demonstrating and then a man more pressure say, hey, the because the demonstrations doors are attract attention from outside communities. At the bar, in Kofo corner, or demonstrating the entire demonstrating. They are buying some person. Yeah.
Fix the country, no, dear.
Fix the country, hashtag mbebu no na fad amudi protest aban no nya bibi
onye den
onye bibi mfa o man Ghana na memmo mu nyama enko ye nyama ato
said
o ma bo security so o ma bo galamsey so o ma bo roads full bibia atochima e wo man Ghana mo bo so a
you say ne American mu sabe fix bibia
say constitution
security amomo okay the security is not working because the constitution is not good. Yeah? National security for you.
Okay.
Minimum bebreu. Every crowd go school here.
National security.
Me catch now on authority.
No be there kinkan.
Bisa. Minimum guys are don't go here one man. To say they are into the national security. Who ma omo ba one man. National security. Just say me share crowd and them more.
Now on what basis are they selected? Say on co school that ni ma kinkan na nti basis are different here.
You wo ha na ni afro ba national security. America. Obi wo CIA mu. Or BNI, ni report, or FBI, ni report ni madum oye. Or catch an answer or a salesperson. Because Sawuba na mi bisa na so national security. Na me your the boy nya. Will I act in front of you? Omo ba na tuo shop ha side arm. E shop ha no mkrom sa what you talking no. Na man no body. Is this security? No, how do you gather when by you the nature you are supposed to gather information. It's who banner me say me can be cry, me caso. Tinam say etini nya. Asian yede, asian pro. We need to do the needful and yan can chom said the constitution has been long overdue. Abre constitution no say a toothless and biting. Yan constitution ye then biting people. So that when the president is on top of it, or himself, that's what I'm doing. Until then, the president's even hands are tied. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. Because the CR, so blame me IGP. You bet me I take orders from the president. Who blame me president? What I say? I take what? Instruction from the constitution.
Okay.
So the bottom line is what? The constitution. Constitution in yet. One man, Jerry John Rawlings, Oba Befisu know himself. His life will be in danger of forming constitution based on him. It's long overdue. Country Ben na yekase President Visua yenti me and Fanny Contra. Country Ben. Ati se Ghana. Country Ben na member of parliament here Bonia. Ati se me could be speaker. Country Ben no. Country for men no. Ye di agro my mo ya hwe yi a ye besi no ye ntimi somo ye nya wow ye fa constitution no ye hwem ya ye reform no kra ye no enya papa reform e say ye no say ye take power from the presidency into the hands of the people. Simple. Because the presidency need power. There are things that he cannot do. And the president know himself at the end of subject to the constitution. But say I said you too crowd to na opa kokunipa. That president in fact the pen on trust you. You no questions asked.
No questions.
Yeah, constitution no. Constitution no.
Internet kopim say empo company pon betu sa na mo say constitution po e ba betu because Ghana had the yes o minor ehye wo mo nsa wo no mo etinitin nti ko si say wo mo be pass na ye ne say okay isi an go for akasa yate e be say constitution no any in the meanwhile to then no ye elkos wo man Ghana insecurity here and there and then soldier for nama and then ya tuto ha and then say no how are we going to because the more a tututo air cost, the more a commercial air cost, nipa per ways and means of best surviving. It's time meanwhile now, what fixing the constitution is bringing him no. What can this president do about it? What should he do?
He needs to set up. One, me niente IGP we are near somehow contract extension. Young guys will do. Last time now, Obi catch him say, yes, say, COP for the now, Kofi watch a title today. COP. You have about 50 COPs. Google right now and see. It's time, when we say the name call, do reshuffle them. Then the first minister can even tell the president, say, No reshuffle. Hey, we here Obia. The people can trust him. What I say? Say security head now for trust now. Yeah, cool. Or you be say you act. But where I said member now I can say you need heaven no. It's a bit of a problem. So the government should immediately change the IGP, the CBS, all those people in security and so bullshit. Not for people with fresh ideas to come on board. They will hold the situation. But if the same people are there, and I people say, I see say, one person will see it. But right now, radical movement, we grab phone in anything. Now they rank and bar border. They'll be able to hold the situation. Because who said no, Makoya, it doesn't matter who is me polycarp using near Chemia. That's it.
That's it. It was just for the South Bray and our Bekaya one, and come on, ye dear F a year a giraffe, and rather disturbance the call so or and nam so, and my police for any soldier for be copy more. It's to course so. I must see a day conform you know at an annum hour and Seattle and Seattle a die and Sabia or more edgy Irish and they pressure Ghana for Dodona edgy to Mampini as to say. And temper so any minimum one ye be and find some no one way to say and chomano. Yen chum to my military form go to no yen chumo and Nantia womo a more bash and mudi ekun a Ibrahim Mohammed Kaka our no new one accompany 7 year banuano. One year and temper no moncho on a bear. Come here, everybody, my nampo can even have Reshimo, I will my mobile ball and some more. And one year won't come out that brain. So what didn't you be for one? But what you are not for your live chat no answer with me after live into the show. Phone numbers no and a good video no as on a Fabi. Now, friend, now young cop. Now, Walker, Richard for last time. Richard for anyway. You won't say about the security wise saying ya experience. Technical know-how. Any one more, Omakodaro or Sanyamano ewu. You won't go for position, you name says, Sadian and Kamu experience the found in one tempaso. Then I go far a year, armor besties, and be more at 10 tempaso, met me actually. Eti, Kusha, experience no, technical know-how, no, but the people probably, I say, in Sembu, near to a chain command from somewhere. If you also another say ye tepaso ya any passion near
leadership. Leadership, yeah, obi a sebe or ya dear or drain or chinani besi. Leader, ye can't be a leader or a fearless and very bold. Said this is what I need to do to fix whatever is there. Say leader no or what up no. Say we are indecisive. Or someone one more show no. They'll take advantage of you. What did I make her say? So we need somebody who will say, hey, stop it. Let's push this one this way. Let's bring one here. Let's bring one here. And everything will be in place. But OBI said you'll be here. Command the crab is I say, command the MC, it's one of friend.
MC military base the crab
MC no of friend. Of friend to your minister.
According to another statement to make on friend for police.
Why are not friend?
Or your friend, one more your friend is but okay, so no and the cars or my command is
who said me say?
Emra Mecca.
Who said wait till I say there's a break in the chain of command. Because say friend commander, who MC friend commander will also call what? The superior. Ebekwa besi penipano CBS. Or no, ultimately take it decision or be consulting the president. It's one of friend and who gave the command. Sana, your friend is saying, Parliament House, I saw that for be working in that. You who gave the command. Where are we going?
Mami reading the statement Oja or join you so in some common money to share in some kind of say. Yesterday, our brother Kaka passed on, so we know that today, if he's going to be buried, there is the likelihood that the youth will rise up. So we called for police reinforcement yesterday. So they came and actually slept at Ejura. As I said before, prior to the incident, no more police former that with Jurawo. And I was saying, what I was told is that the youth were demonstrating. They were moving from one area to another at a point. They were throwing stones at the police vehicle and the military. So when they got to some point or some area, the youth rounded up the security men in the middle. So the security men decided to fire a warning shot. That is what I have been told so far. As I said, yeah, MC, Mr. Bamba Salusu ne nsɛm wɔde ɛto dwa fa incident no ɛho no na sɛ ɔno no ɛkyɛ sɛ ɔno ne office ɛna frɛ police for no but wanye military for de na ntum
MC no or security person
I say ɔno na in charge in terms of the municipality no ɔno na in charge of security need account
enti na maybe say as a nation we failed our intelligence gathering system and break it down because you or say or no or we one
send the office don't think that's on the office I MC into the office
no oh yeah MC into who can some chair regional say regional command no almost to nipa be who say asem na wo can no does it make sense almost to nipa by and now because MC or far phone or yeah popular now so influencer to far phone or command CDS now CDS catch soldiers for say go without even gathering intelligence. Oh, God, now because I say rubber bullet, oh boy, etc. But the difference is a ball. You need rubber bullets for Ghana. And now you're there, your live bullets, man.
Okay, yes, chef. The influence of the military, Ghana, against some interior issues, no, a free election, a who said Techiman South, military in Namho, Black Manofa, military in Namho. And one time be about the chim. Now, to see us to demonstration among for in a typical place like a drag for demonstration. Now, the military also comes to play in this. I say, you pictures and videos of military men are all aiming to shoot at civilians. Now, what does it mean? The see, I'm not meaning out of this issue. Say no. The see, I'm the say your president no or you do military. As interior police and I said because I want to tell more say I can't point to more say is it necessary say military no coming to play in such issues some about but some situations some about some coming to play was it necessary in the first place?
It's not you see military should be what the last resort
what can mama but
the last
in this issue
see mama means that the police has failed the nation.
By now, no, in charge of police.
I'm telling you because say, who started from military here. Their population be running over military. No, you are gone. Military doesn't come in. Michelle Damao point say police munu kra no ye different way systems. Ye wo kophobia omo training na say soldier. So they act as soldiers, but they act with what? Human face. Who makes me a first striking force? They can handle the situation perfectly. Okay. And yet, be behind say friend military. To say has a protocol, you football match, a friend military. Police for no, you have brought so and I say, team for no abro police for so. Next, a police for post channel, as almost show no, it's not working. Then you. That on mine be bro soldier force no, you. So therefore, what they did, you know, in a sense, no, say up to war, and so therefore, to journey, yeah. Would you have imagined what would have been the thinking of the population right now? Ama, you have to a war, police for a journey, or Mwako a journey. And would you have imagined, say, up to and so therefore, to journey, yeah. I am repair to the extent of military. So, it's every time now. The military will only have one thing: put fear into them. Sometimes it can be very excessive, but putting fear into them means telling them that we are in charge. Police, a good time that they will massage the thing, but police for almost Ghana. You have to have a police can leave Ghana and say at some moment. See, I'm the new school, no. You catch on say, "Some do one more the same thing. Use excessive force. Excessive force means what? All shooting into it." Which is wrong anyway. But I see, as a mother, into your book. And he found a fee in the bar. Ama, and he found a fee in the hip and a do. It's time you put your house in order. It's time to put, and they will be a waking up call for everybody. Your security system, no, at top them, in Pijan. It is time your training might be critically. So who are those people in the security? Are there people who you have? You can be a security person or intelligent than the normal human being. Because when you're intelligent than the normal human being, what you watching comfort? Comfort be very intelligent.
Very smart.
It's in our comfort, comfort the crowd that you form into the security. Because some intelligent, they know. Inti say you for average people, conform my real access. They don't want real security, my real access one person. Then the real security man. On to me real logically. It's a simple security person so there. Though you should be prompt to know, and some will think in here logically. It is a why do you know how do you think? Yeah, then you drink. Yeah, for average people, I go grab security services. In some of the normally man say, I dare not their mind, and when it's time to shoot, you shoot. Without thinking, say, these are my brothers, these are my fellow men. I need to be what? More humane in what I'm doing. You baby, you see really.
See a day, home here, kakra, abba, a drama, there's a video scrub up until we are going about the normal daily business. But so now, Mount when he said, there's fire on the mountain. A JB air that was there. Yempe wants them okay. Be grab wash. I say, Yempe chief imam.
Oh, chief imam, I guess I get in the call.
Yeman, you copy no munya kasache because we should also know the fact that a kind of Muslim community.
Yeah, and
not the Sotona and the Guo. And we know the understanding of Muslim, our Muslim brothers.
God.
For the very fact that in BSC, but yeah, the soldiers are called Maka down there, no my home. Should also go on to come here?
Come here means I'm planning to attack. Maybe now for baby came for. Camoni only the year be boot chana hoa. Mojaba, I saw no so who sounds so. What the Mojaba? This is the time. Yeah, this is the time we are lucky to have somebody like the chief imam who is an honest, intelligent person. More money in Skype, more money you saw for free. Only youth in Kasa, the leader of the youth, on Freno. Right now, there should be calls going to him, call them, calm them down. One country said they shouldn't take any. Who said, Chief Imam or Kasa or Mutie?
Yeah.
No matter what the situation.
Huge respect.
Until right now, he is there. Young Freno, no friend inside, no country so. Asema ba motomobo me solve problem mu nja mami na ono ka me na ye yese ehwa edi de obehu ba bre na nesi
enumere ya
me say pepe ni mi na vo pepe fo utwa no na moja ba eso twa obi o
by now come almost see second body
ni nti say omo plan what to do. We need to move quickly. Ye move bi my slack ye transfer ho ne ye we ya ever fire say rapture. Movie.
In clear state, you know what can be the possible outcome there. You journey slowly, turn a pace because possible outcome with me to abandon the young baby crowd. The intensity of the situation.
Yeah, my member scenario. That's what I say. Be all still.
Yeah, we do say from now on, money a crony.
Enti say. Enu ya ni mi ya bre na mo kona soja fo mi na om ku oma soja ni so de oku ni nipa o so be ku bi
yeah
na soja fo no so rise na timan fo no so rise na e kwa that part. What are we having?
And say but akwati ebodi.
That is what I'm saying.
Yeah,
it's right now ajo but eja wase ye nku ja no eja na ebeku no mean say they should move in quickly. Assure the people say you're betting for Chiomo. So therefore, they won't even Chiomo. They took command from somebody. So whoever gave the command, say MCE no man command independently. The MCE should be arrested right now. He should be arrested to serve as deterrent to somebody who because of power will stand somewhere and give orders, say, go and kill. And your first time I deal with singing, a CSCSC is time we put a stop to it in Ghana. Near or my command in Ghana should be arrested, not the soldier, but the soldier was only taking command from somebody. So who gave that command? Who gave it? No, no, right now. Simple.
Mr. Ben, and some no baby, I could do no. What you say, Nibra Abapa and Tempan, so no say, Abanic can't why you be a because. We are in some air corner, yes, sir. yen nuanom muslimi fo so na edele azato omo nso mo ade hye film no ese nsem no eduru sro ba ne nia mu no se aban tu nanam mu se yesa wo justice system ya be chi we bi oni esa de justice system be tu aho ayejuma ye wo bills ahodo edi ma amanfo ya chi wo mu ne de keka ho ne nti ye de yan nsem no AC no we no yan maintain the same routine justice system ya chi wo we tuma ko bill ye ka wasem court 1 year 2 years near that's why can you train say na batabe na nipa na makwantuom no saba sa kwan so ne na say pasho so and ye apply a justice.
You see, there's always a price to pay.
Yeah.
For every system. Yeah, in democracy now, yeah, me ne wo ya ji atomo no. E ma ho kwan say uchi obi a bacon kind is ania. Na jeje ye price so ani eku. Ese o go through the process.
Yeah.
But sometimes uchi nipa ne kra na watching na wudi na asema ye wo say e open ye di asem no. E ma abotoye e ba.
It should be open.
It should be open.
Okay.
Let's put them on trial. Say near or wadi pobiano. Yanchi nipa. Simple.
Okay. I think say in Yababa. Now once we chat to if you to be a first me a chef for ni for the community.
Edra mai me pa mo chow. Asema ba. Ya wo mai ba ko pe. Youth no monto mo bo. Meaning say ya ba monto mo bo. Gidi e fa solve anu ya nya de beka. Na empanifo no so munya proactive. Enye time we na ye kokko num tea. Mun call down na munya mo adwuma asmo ye no na mo haye. Ekufo ado sorry ka che nkofo ne. They should work. Me pa mo chaw munya di na ye solve problem. Chief imam me pa cho me sada me sayem. Ko ka kire nkofo ne so omunya abotre na ye solve problem no. Eno ana me work.
Eno ana work an ye me ensure na ebusuafo kuma ye di ye efa ejura basa ye kakra koso ho enam so ma nkofo mienu ekoka dodi kan ehwe ne nkwa ye nua bema Ibrahim Kaka Mohammed ni wo no atete bia koka ho eninya ye basa ye no amu sabe adane ntempi ahodo amanfo ebo mampeni sofo bi esre mampeni se entempa so no wonchi obi biara dedi kan woni ma brante no ewo enhu bi ena biem so no wo mo so otututuo emenam so ma amanfo mienu ene ntia emienu newu na intia no so eda hospital no atito ye atentene entibi enyetumo manga because ebufo no atra akwa ahye niemu atito manga no bia efu a anya ne ntempa so a ebetimi ede oyeni na asema ye mpe ate ede aba omanmu na ne niemu no efo no yabesepese ya kira adwen won so ya ka bebre won so dia wo so ewo wutim a obese won ka no betimi da todwa awe comment section na biem so no wakoye social media platforms Instagram, Twitter so following ewo honom so na wo ye ne sa so no na wo kan hu ni se nene da di kan a wo hwe tuma GH ye ta no ti wo ne pa bebre e de ba obetimi subscribe na bre nia bi no ye de ye video so wo so etimi ahwe bi me de ndi na ama urusa di me de mi na mtina so e di ho chia me na nya me ya duma ye be san edi e hia be me da mu ni ase se mo share ye videos na mta e da no cameraman any me editors wo mo bo amachidom ma video me kama se na wo hwe no video no no me do bibia se na me enhia mu nya e be say de hia be makra mu nya bye bye.
Too much GH. Many have come and many have gone, but you are a great Kankambuka ability, worth being beheld by every optical nerves. That saith the papacy.
Keep watching Too Much GH, and you get the best of entertainment, the best of everything you want.
My name is Ohima One. Keep watching Too Much GH. It's the best.
Keep watching Too Much.